Welcome to the SFM booster batch. In fact, objective of this batch, I should tell you before we move forward. Objective is we'll be covering up entire syllabus, what you study maybe in 200 and so hours in the regular classes. We'll try to cover it up sometime approximately 50, 55 hours and so on. The objective is very clear. Objective is we are trying to learn the subject in such a way, maybe I would have studied some time back. Now I want to revise in a quick manner. The objective of this exercise would remain is we'll try to quickly brush up our knowledge. And during that, it is not only brushing up your knowledge, we'll try to do the concepts along with it, and approximately, I think 150 to 200 questions will cover in between. The first of the topic which I'm covering will get the hint. Since I have my own way of training and teaching, I know you would have studied from somewhere the SFM, but no matter where have you studied, I'll presume at least some of the topics to be so hard you might have felt. We'll try to cover them up. First of the topic which we have a fear, the objective of the class is to remove that fear. First of the topic we are covering is the Forex. Let's try that out. Let's put down the heading Forex. I have some my own rules being made. So we'll try to cover that up. Forex. First of the topic we are covering is Forex. Introduction, I am doing it with you. In that introduction, what I'll try, this first part I'll keep it small. The objective of the introduction would be, we'll try to make sure that we create some rules. In fact, maybe I'll dictate some rules, but the objective of the rules is so that when you try the question on your own, you are able to try any one of them. First, give me the chance. First, give me the first part. I will try and creating a rules out of it. After that, I leave it to you. Then after that, you can try anything from your side. What we'll do, in fact, process I'll tell you, what we'll do is, let me finish off this topic with you. Go back home, try any book, any reference material you have studied, anything from anywhere, you can try that out. First of the note we are putting, you can put the note wise, if you want to give the numberings, note 1. The note 1 we are writing is, for example, when we write $1 is equal to rupees 70. How do we read, sir? $1 is 70. I hope we read as in $1 70 rupees will come, or in 70 rupees $1 will come. Our way of reading in the class, this will be chocolate. This will be chocolate. And this will be price. That means left hand side currency, whatever would be there, would be treated as chocolate. Right hand side will treat as a price. That is the first example. Sir, what does it mean? It means is, for example, if I am putting 1 rupee is equal to dollar, it will become 1 by 70. And convert that out. If you try to put $1, you can copy along. Yes, copy along, please. Since it's slightly on the farther side, I expect, let us try to copy as we move forward. 1 rupee is equal to dollar 0.0143. I hope it is coming same, 0.0143. Yes, sir. Now, in this case, chocolate was dollar, price was rupee. The moment I put 1 rupee is equal to dollar, rupee becomes my chocolate, price becomes my, rupee becomes a chocolate, and dollar becomes a price. First objective to be kept in mind. Anything what will keep on the left hand side, I'm not using a word foreign currency, home currency, that is something we can put out, which you have been doing anyhow. Since we are learning for the purpose of examination, because we are in a fast track mode, and maybe ultra fast track mode I can call it as. Since we are in a fast track mode, our objective should be very clear. Left hand side will keep the chocolate, right hand side of price. Since I love chocolate, I'm using a word chocolate. It is up to you what word you want to use. You can use the word, for example, either you can call it as a chocolate, rasgulla, rasmalai, or pav bhaji, gulab jamun, or anything of your choice. Left hand side would be a chocolate, right hand side would be a price. Sir, what is the meaning and why do we keep this way? Let us wait for some time. The moment I'll create some note, we'll be able to make a sense out of it. That entire chapter, what to make chocolate and what to make price, there is certain reason of doing this kind of exercise. So left hand side we keep as a chocolate, right hand side we keep as a price. That is the first point we have done. Second point you can put down, note number 2. All the notes are important? Yes, sir. All the notes would be important. premium oblique and discount, premium and discount. Second note, we are putting it here, premium and discount. Before I discuss with you premium and discount, let me put a small data. We use something called a spot rate. We use a word called spot rate, and we'll use something called forward rate. For example, if I put $1 is equal to rupees 70, if I put $1 is equal to rupees 72. Understand the meaning of the spot rate. The meaning of the spot rate is, from the exam perspective, I'm using my words very carefully. From the exam perspective, if I put a diagrammatical presentation, we call it as, it is 0 period. Let's suppose a 12 months time, I'm putting it as a 12 months forward rate. In 0 period, this spot rate means is basically rate decided today, settlement will take place today. Spot rate means, sir, rate decided today, settlement will take place today. Forward rate means, sir, what? $1.72. That means you will decide the rate today, forward rate. You will decide the rate today, but settlement will take place after 12 months period. Sir, once again, from the exam perspective, spot rate, although there could be some more words which can come from the exam perspective, spot rate is rate which is decided today, settlement which will take place today. It means, sir, if $1 is 70, it means if I go to bank and say, bank, I want to buy dollar, bank, I want to sell dollar, at what rate it will take place? It will take place at 70. Sir, if I want to buy, sell after 12 months time, then what? Then rate can be freeze today, which is 72. Settlement will take place after a point of a time. That is the meaning of spot and forward rate, which I think you would be knowing it, no doubt on that. Now let me talk about premium and discount. If you try to look, help me out. One chocolate today comes in how much rupees? 70. One chocolate comes in 70, and one chocolate will start coming in what? One chocolate will start coming in 72. Now you tell me, is the chocolate becoming cheaper or costlier? Is the chocolate becoming cheaper or costlier? So chocolate is becoming what? Chocolate is becoming costlier. Now what is the chocolate here? Chocolate is nothing but dollar. Chocolate is nothing but dollar. That means, can I say which currency at a premium? And we are learning the formula. Please, I'm saying it again. We will not be cramming any formula. By the time we'll end introduction, you'll get the hint of doing it. Although maybe I'll dictate the points as we move forward. But the objective is not to learn any formula. Try to create formulas. $1.70, $1.72. Now help me out, please. If $1 is 70 and 72, sir, can we say one chocolate which comes in 70 will start coming in 72? Yes. Premium, or how much chocolate is becoming costlier? Chocolate is becoming costlier by 2 rupees. Chocolate is becoming costlier by 2. Sir, it means anything which we keep on the left hand side. Anything which we keep on the left hand side is a chocolate, yes. Only chocolate can become costly, or only chocolate can be at a discount. Sir, let us try to put premium. If I would have asked you, calculate for me how much chocolate has become costlier. Try to calculate, please. If I would have asked you, calculate how much chocolate would have become costlier for me. I'll also cross-check the answer. You tell me out. How much chocolate would have become costlier? Try to put that out, please. It will become what? Sir, at a premium, will we say 70 becoming what? 72. So I can put it out what? 72 minus 70 divided by 70 into 100. 72 minus 70 divide by what? 70 into 100. Yes. Tell me how much it comes out. Sir, that means formula we have applied what? Look at the formula you applied. Forward rate minus spot rate divide by what? Spot rate into 100. This is the formula you applied. I did not teach you the formula. I only said one chocolate comes in 70, chocolate will start coming in what? 72. You yourself have calculated that out. It becomes what? 2.87. Copy that out, please. 2.87. It means dollar is at premium. Now, few points when you're copying, I'll say that out. I'll dictate once you've copied. If one currency is at a premium, second currency would automatically be at what? Discount. If one currency is at a premium, second currency would be at a discount. In my case, I can make out left hand side is dollar. That means dollar is at premium. automatically rupee would be at discount. On whichever currency we calculate premium or discount, on whichever currency we calculate premium or discount, it has to be kept on left hand side. Sir, what does it mean? It means is, since one chocolate comes in 72 and one chocolate 70 and one chocolate will start coming in 72, it means what is coming in 70 will start coming in 72. Chocolate is at a premium. Only chocolate can be costly or chocolate can be cheaper. If I had to calculate, let's suppose a discount, then I know which currency would be a discount. So rupee would be a discount. If rupee has a discount, then I will have to do what? Discount. I'll put it this way. In this case, I'll put spot rate as, let's try to put it out please, spot rate. I'll also take the help of the figures I have. I'll put spot rate. 1 rupee would be equal to 1 divided by 70, and that becomes equal to what, sir? 1 rupee is equal to $0.0143. Okay, and 12 months forward rate, help me out. 12 months forward rate. 1 rupee is equal to $1 divided by what? 72. 1 rupee would be equal to $0.0139. You can clearly make it out from here that today the rate of the chocolate, now this has become chocolate for you, rupee. Rate of the chocolate is 0.0143. Rate of the chocolate will become 0.0139. It means chocolate has been trading at what? Discount. Chocolate is trading at discount. Sir, read it once again. If you try to look at this data, dollar today comes in 70, dollar will start coming in 72. Normal person will say dollar is becoming costlier. We also say dollar is becoming costlier. But I have my own way of doing it. I would say, rather, instead of saying dollar is becoming costlier, I'll say chocolate is becoming costlier. That means left-hand side currency is always chocolate. Only chocolate, toffee, commodity, rasgullas, these can become costlier. Price can never become costlier. It means if two currencies are given to you, please do not treat both of them as currencies. One has to be a commodity and second has to be what? A currency. I'm saying it again. One has to be commodity and second has to be currency, because otherwise it will be confusing for me. It will become so confusing for me. How should I know what is a currency and what is a commodity? In this case, what I'm saying, left hand side is always a commodity. If dollar was on the left hand side, we look at from the dollar perspective, chocolate. In the second case, I have done what? I have just put rupee on the left hand side and I am calculating discount. And I can make out if one currency is at premium, second currency would be at discount. Would premium be equal to discount? Maybe no. Why no? We'll come back to it, please. Why no? That means on whatever currency I calculate premium discount, it has to be kept on left hand side. Give me a single minute time. I'll dictate the notes once we have done that. Sir, my formula would change? No. My formula would remain what? Forward rate minus spot rate divided by what, sir? Spot rate into 100. Forward rate is 0.0139. Spot rate is what, sir? 0.0143 divided by 0.0143 into 100, and it turns out to be minus 2.79 percentage. Sir, our premium and discount is not coming same. The premium was coming 2.87, discount is coming 2.97. They are not coming same. Yes, they are not coming same. That is the reason we have to keep them on the left hand side. Once you copy, I'm talking it out. Let's suppose I'm using some words. Price of PC jewelers. Price of PC jewelers reduced from 600 to 60 rupees. Price of PC jewelers reduced from 600 to 60 rupees. How much percentage fall? 600 rupees becomes 60. That is a 90% fall. Once you keep copying that out, it's a 90% fall. If I try to put data, what I'm talking about, I'm saying price of PC jewelers from 600 have fallen to 60. That means it's a 90% fall. You increase 60 by 90%. You increase 60 by 90%. It will not be anywhere near to 600. Understand what I'm saying? 100 rupees decrease by 90%. You'll reach at 10. 10 rupees increase by 90%. You'll become 19. That's a mathematical problem. It means increase and decrease would not be same, and that is the reason 2.87 would not be same as this, premium would not be same as this. Hence I am saying on whichever currency we find premium or discount, it has to be kept on what side? It has to be kept on the left hand side. Sir, once again say the example what you were saying. 100 rupees decline by 90%. It becomes rupees 10. But if you increase 10 rupees same by 90%, it will not become 100 and it will require huge effort to become 100. It means premium and discount would not be same. What we have done from premium discount is whichever currency we find premium discount has to be left hand side, because only chocolates can become costlier or cheaper. Second, the premium would not be equal to discount. That is the second note. Let's quickly put that down, please. Let's quickly put that down. I hope you have copied that part. I hope you've copied that part. That's the second note which is there. The premium, let's put down the first note, please. Let's put down the first note. I'm dictating some notes here. I'll write along with you. Note. That is first note I'm putting. If one currency is at premium, then second currency would be at discount. If one currency is at premium, then second currency would be at discount. Sir, it means the one currency which was premium was dollar in our case. Automatically rupee became at a discount. Second note. On whichever currency we find premium oblique discount, on whichever currency we find premium oblique discount, it has to be kept on left hand side. Sir, left hand side, my left is this, your left is which? Nalaik, your left, move this way, this is your left. What you see here, left hand side is this, Nalaik. This is left hand side, this is left hand side. Left hand side remains same. So left hand side is same only. On whichever currency we find premium discount, it has to be kept on left hand side. That is, it has to be made chocolate. Sir, read these sentences once again. I'll read quickly. On whichever, if one currency is at premium, second currency would be at discount. On whichever currency we find premium or discount, it has to be kept on left hand side. Premium we found on dollar was on the left hand side. Discount we found on what? The rupee came on the left hand side. Third point, which we just now saw, third point, premium is not equal to discount. And this is the whole reason why do we make the chocolate. Why do we make one currency as a chocolate? So that was the whole reason of making one currency as a chocolate. Sir, can we use different terms for it? Yes, we can use different terms for them. Dollar becoming costlier, dollar is at a premium, appreciation of a dollar, rupee discount, depreciation, devaluation becoming cheaper. These could be different terms used, which I think would be very comfortable to you. As we move forward, if terms comes out, we'll keep looking at those terms. So the objective first note was on whichever currency we find premium discount has to be on left hand side. And how to make decide left hand side, that will take the call as we move forward. So we have not decided yet. Second point is on whichever currency we find premium discount, left hand side, chocolate is left hand side, we make it. One currency premium, second would be at discount. Third note, and a very, very important note again. Third note, and a very, very important note again. Let me know once you've copied that part. On one currency premium, second discount, premium discount we find on left hand side. Can we move forward? Yes, sir. Third note, and an important note. Let's put down note 3. exporter and importer. From the chapter point of view, will have two parties, exporter and importer. Sir, exporter is a person who exports things. That means, sir, exporter is a person, he will receive foreign currency. Will sell foreign currency. Exporter, you've exported some goods, you will receive foreign currency and you will do what? Sell foreign currency. Sir, importer, you tell me now. Importer will buy, yes. That means he will need foreign currency. And will buy foreign currency. A very, very important part I'm saying. A very, very important part. Exporter and importer. Exporter is a person who will receive foreign currency, and since he receives foreign currency, the objective of him would be what? The objective of him would be, since he needs a foreign currency, will receive, he will go and sell foreign currency. Importer is a person who will need foreign currency, will go to the bank and say, bank, I want to buy foreign currency. Now I am taking help of data to understand under what situation they will gain and lose. Under what situation? I am putting some data here. Look up, please. I am putting up a exporter's data. Let's suppose exporter, I am putting it up, and I am taking example of TCS. TCS is one of the company who exports his services. Let's suppose it is $1 lakh. TCS has to receive from foreign country. Exporter, the exporter is TCS, has to receive $1 lakh from the foreign country. Now, since they have to receive $1 lakh, two options I'm putting. Let's suppose spot rate is equal to $1 is equal to rupees. $1 is equal to rupees. If I put here $1 is equal to rupees 70. And what is the expectation, sir? Expectation is after, let's suppose, or they have a choice to bring after 3 months time. After 3 months time, $1 might become equal to 75, or $1 might become equal to 65. Now, before you copy, help me out, please. Before you copy, look up. Before you copy, help me out. Exporter will receive foreign currency, will receive and do what? Sell foreign currency. Let's suppose TCS received foreign currency today. Let's suppose TCS received foreign currency today. If he receives foreign currency today, his inflow would be equal to what amount? Inflow. $1 lakh he'll sell, how much rupees he'll get? 70 lakh, sir. $1 lakh at the rate of 70 lakh. In this case, if the inflow comes, 75 lakh. In this case, if the inflow comes, it will be equal to 65 lakhs. Now, you tell me in which situation exporter gains and loses. If I put this statement here, look at this part. Is the exporter gaining? Look, please. Is the exporter gaining? Yes. That means if the 70 becomes 75, the 70 lakh inflow will become what? 75. And if I ask you under what circumstances gain comes out, look up, please. 70 becoming 75, which currency at a premium? One chocolate 70, one chocolate will start coming in what? 75. Which currency at a premium? Which currency? Dollar is a chocolate. $1.70, $1.75. That means he will gain foreign currency at what? Premium. And automatically home currency at what? Discount. Sir, once again, I am not cramming a rule. I am just putting that if I try to put this data, I can visualize if 70 becomes 75, if 70 becomes 75, it means what? If the 70 becomes 75, it means today what is coming as an inflow 70 will start coming as what? 75 lakh inflow. If I close my eyes, I can say today if I convert, they'll converting at the rate of 70. After 3 months time, they'll convert at rate of 75. Clear cut gain. Foreign currency at premium and home currency at discount. Sir, if this becomes, still I would get how much dollar inflow? Still I would get how much dollar inflow? I'll get dollar inflow is equal to 1 lakh. Dollar will not change. But what was my 70 lakh will become only what? 65 lakh. Gain or loss? Gain or loss? Sir, it comes out loss. If I ask you under what circumstances loss comes out, tell me. Which currency? Very good. Which currency? Foreign currency is at what? Discount. One chocolate in 70, one chocolate will come in 65. Home currency is at what? Premium. In exam, now we can copy, I'm talking to you. Copy that part, please. Please copy that out. In exam, if we are able to identify exporter and importer, if we are able to identify exporter and importer, automatically our problem become almost half, less than half, because the moment I think, and I do not have to cram this tool, please copy, I'm talking, I have a habit of talking, so I'll talk. I do not cram this tool. Think of a situation, what I'll do. What I'll do, sir, in this case, I'll do nothing, but what I'll do is, I'll just put $1 standard 70, I am exporter. If something comes today, I'll convert at what rate? 70 rupees, 70 lakh inflow. If by chance I delay for 3 months time, I'm not taking any parameter, rest parameters will take as we move forward. If I take, instead of $1.70 and rate becomes 75, that means my conversion would take place as 75, automatically my inflow increased. And if I make that means 70 coming today will become 75, automatically I know when would I gain? I would gain when foreign currency at a premium, home currency at discount. Rest notes I can make very easily. Copy that part, we'll do for the importer quickly. A very, very important notes, please. A very, very important notes. Importer, I'll make the same kind of exercise. Importer, I'll make the same type of exercise. Try that out, please. And help me out, importer. What will become the importer now? Importer is a person who needs what? Importer is a person who will need to buy $1 lakh. Let's take that example. I'm taking importer's case now. I'm taking importer's case now. Let's suppose, you can copy along now, please. Importer. And let's suppose importer needs $1 lakh. If the importer needs $1 lakh, if the importer needs $1 lakh, let's suppose today's spot rate, $1 is equal to 70. It means today's outflow would be equal to what lakh? 70 lakh. If I take 3 months time, sir, in 3 months time, $1 expected to become 75 or $1 will become 65. If $1 becomes 75, outflow required is what? 75 lakh. If $1 becomes 65, outflow would be what? 65 lakh. Outflow would be 65 lakh. If $1 becomes 70, it's a 70 lakh, 75. Now you tell me which position is the gain or loss which comes out. If you look at this position, it is what? Gain, sir. What I was able to buy earlier in 70 lakhs, now I am able to buy in what lakhs? I am able to buy in 65 lakhs. So under what circumstances I gain? Chocolate becoming what? Cheaper. Chocolate becoming what? Cheaper. That means gain would be equal to, if I try to put a gain would be equal to what, sir? Gain would be foreign currency is at what? Discount. Copy along, please. Foreign currency at discount. One chocolate, 70, one chocolate becomes 65. And home currency is at what? Premium. Foreign currency at discount, home currency is at premium. Can we see that out? Yes. Foreign currency at discount, home currency at premium. And in this case, try to visualize this part, please. And in this case, 70 becoming 75. 70 becoming 75. What will we say? Sir, which currency? This is loss. You tell me, now the loss comes when? Sir, loss comes as, you only have to remember a single point, rest of the points automatically will flow. Rest of the points automatically will flow. You need not copy anything other than this. The moment you find a question on the exporter importer, only identify exporter will receive, will sell, importer will need, will buy, and think of some certain data in your mind. 70, 75. The moment you think 70, 75, rest cases can be made very easily. If something is coming at 70, it will come at 75. If something we need to buy at 70, something will have to buy at 75. Exactly same thing is happening. Loss. So can I put loss? I'm putting it here because I do not have a space there. Loss would be equal to which currency at a premium, sir? Which currency at a premium? Foreign currency. Very good. Foreign currency at premium. Home currency at what? Discount. 3 notes we have done till now. Let me just quickly do a recap. First note, left hand side would be chocolate, right hand side would be price. Second, premium discount. Whichever currency we find premium discount, it has to be kept on what side? Left hand side. If one currency at premium, second currency automatically would be at discount. Premium will not be equal to discount. Third, exporter importer. Now I will not remember anything. I'll just remember the rule now. What rule? 70. Sir, exporter case, receive of a money. Today comes, it will come 70. If it becomes 75, inflow would be 75 lakh. Now I can make 70 becoming 75. Chocolate is at a premium. Dollar is at a premium. Foreign currency premium, my benefit. And rest cases I can make accordingly. Can we move forward? Slightly I'm trying, I know you have done that, but still I need to spend my own way, because the next notes which I'm spending now will tell me exactly where do we stand. And that is what a difference would be created. Because what you have been doing, what I would be doing would be a certainly different parameter from here. The moment you've done this, let me know. The next part will do it. The moment you've done, next part I'll do it then. Can you move forward? Put down. Next important, very, very important note, please. Quotations. Let's put down a very, very important part, quotations. Let me put down. It's a note number you can give, whatever note number you have now. Quotations. A very, very important part here now. Quotations. $1 is equal to rupees 65 and 68, let's suppose. This rate is known as bid rate oblique buy rate. This rate is known as sell rate, ask rate. Before I dictate the sentences, let me work out on something. Quotation are from seller's point of view. I'm using my words very, very, very carefully. Quotation are from seller's point of view. Between customer, you and me, I am the seller. Quotation is from my point of view. Bid rate is the rate at which I will buy left hand side currency from you. Ask rate is the rate at which I'll sell the left hand side currency to you. That means 65 is my buying rate of $1. 68 is my selling rate of $1. And I'm using my words very carefully. Quotation are from seller's point of view. If you are a customer, I am a seller. Quotation are from my point of view. Going forward, we'll be looking. I can also interact with someone else in the market. That means customer with shopkeeper, shopkeeper with shopkeeper. This part I'm leaving for the time being. Sir, once again, customer with the shopkeeper. In fact, shopkeeper also can do trading with the shopkeeper. Who stops? Shopkeeper can also do. That means, for example, you go to a medicine shop and you say, sir, I want to buy a medicine. Either he will give it to you. You are customer. Medicine shop wala is your, medicine shop owner is what basically? Medicine shop owner is basically the shopkeeper, the seller. Rates are from his point of view. Sometime it might have happened, he said that, sir, I do not have the medicine, wait for the timing, I'll get for you. He goes to some other shop. The moment he goes to some other shop, now I become customer from them. So between you and me, rates are from my point of view. Between me and someone else, rate would be from someone else's point of view. These kind of a problem we'll see when we move forward. As of now, we are not entering into this kind of a problem. I'm saying it again. As of now, we are not entering into this kind of a problem. Hence, we are not looking at this kind of a problem. So what we are doing is, the quotation are from the seller's point of view. So we are just putting that word out. Bid rate is what rate, sir? Bid rate is the buying rate of the left hand side currency. That is the buying rate of the chocolate. In our case, buying rate of chocolate is dollar. It's a 65 is the buying rate. Ask rate 68, sir. It is the selling rate of the chocolate. That means at what rate will sell. I will sell that rate. Sir, would ask rate would always be greater than bid rate? Yes, it will be always greater than the bid rate. Let's quickly put down the points, please. Let's quickly put down, copy that equation. We'll put down the points. First point. First point. Quotations are from seller's point of view. Quotations. Sellers. Point of view. Quotations are from seller's point of view. Bid rate oblique buy rate. Bid rate oblique buy rate. It is the rate to buy left hand side currency. It is the rate to buy left hand side currency. That is, it is the rate to buy left hand side currency. That is the buying rate of chocolate. That is the buying rate of the chocolate. Third, sell rate oblique ask rate. You tell me, sir, it is the rate to sell left hand side currency. It is the rate to sell. It is the rate to sell left hand side currency. That is the selling rate of the chocolate. Ask rate would always be greater than bid rate. Shopkeeper will never happen that he will buy cheaper from you or sell costly to you. Shopkeeper will always sell costly and buy cheaper. Fourth point. Ask rate would always be greater than bid rate. Ask rate would always be greater than bid rate, which comes out. Now, before I move forward, one more point which I would discuss along with this part is, a small point we'll discuss along with this part is, and that point is basically, once you copied, let me know. Quotation from whose point of view? Bank's point of view. Bank, I am using bank as a rough language, but it is not, because between you and bank, I am the bank, it is from my point of view. But certainly, when I look at a bank and bank, then I can also have quotation from the second bank point of view. That means customer interacting with ICICI Bank, quotation is from the ICICI Bank point of view. ICICI Bank interact with some other bank, HDFC. Quotation would be from HDFC. I will become the customer of HDFC Bank. In this case, you are my customer. So we are just keeping as of now, normal. We are not changing anything. As of now, what we are doing is we are just keeping as if relationship is between you and me. That's it, nothing else. Before I move forward, we can learn one more way of reading. Quotation is from whose point of view? Bank's point of view. You are importer. You are customer. You are importer. You will go to the bank and say what? You are importer. You will go to the bank and say what? Bank, I need to buy dollar or sell dollars. You will go to the bank and say, bank, I need to what? Buy dollars. You will buy, I will do what? You will buy, I will do what? Sell. Which rate would I apply? You will buy, I will do what? Sell. Which rate? Very good. Ask rate I'll apply. Ask rate. Understand, sir? Once again, you will come to me and say you are an importer. That means the question will be from customer's point of view. If you want to think, you can think from your perspective. You will come to the bank and say, bank, I need to buy. Bank will say what? I need to sell. When you will say I'll buy, I'll say sell. That means what rate I'll apply? 68. That means I will sell you dollars at 68. Exporter comes to the bank and says, bank, I want to sell. Customer says, I want to sell. Bank would say what? I need to buy. You will sell, I will buy. Which quotation I'll apply? 65. Now try to imagine one thing. Customer always ends up paying more amount. When you buy dollar, when you buy, I sell the item. Sir, tell me once more. Do one thing, buy anything from the shopkeeper. After 2-3 days, go somewhere else and try to sell it off. You will find, I'm not saying replace, try to sell it off. You buy any phone, you buy at phone at, let's suppose, 60,000 rupees. The moment, even after half an hour, you go and try to sell that off, you'll get lesser amount. When you buy, I would sell. That means for the importer, I'll apply what rate? For the importer, I'll apply ask rate. Ask rate. Because I'm selling, you are buying. And for the exporter, you will come and sell. I will do what? Buy. Which rate to be applied? I would apply bid rate. That means the exporter bid rate would be applied, importer ask rate would be applied. Still I am saying you can think question from the customer perspective. What I will do is I will do the quotation from my perspective. But when I am looking at a question, certainly I can see customer is buying, I am selling. Customer is selling, I am buying. I hope we are able to make some sense out of it. We will, once we move in the question, then we'll see exact languages. What happens is, as of now, my target is that we get confirmed data, that we should be able to read out that data. One more thing I want to do before I move forward. Now think of a situation. In our example, $1 is given as rupees 65, 68, I think so. Even if it is different, it's okay. When I convert in rupee, it will become dollar. 1 by 68, 1 by 65. We do the cross, which you know, I know because you have done the regular course, but 2 minutes I want to spend on that. Now think of a situation. The words I'm using, which will help me out in the further calculation somewhere. You come and say, I'll buy dollars. You come and say, I buy dollars. You come and buy, I will apply ask rate. Importer, you say buy dollars, I'll say, I'll sell dollars, 68. Now from your perspective, think of a situation. When you're going to the market to buy dollars, actually you're carrying rupees from the home. When you're going to buy dollars, you're carrying rupees from home. Can't you say, instead of saying, sir, I'll come and buy dollars, instead can I say, I'll come and sell rupee? Buying of a dollar is as good as what? Selling of the second currency. Sir, once again, you went to the market and said, I want to buy dollar. Perfectly fine. Buy dollar, I would sell dollar, first quotation. Let's suppose the bank says, I do not want to hear in the dollar term language. Bank says, I do not want to hear the dollar term language. I said, it's okay. From the home you went, you said, I want to buy dollars. Instead of using that term, can't you use the term? I'll go and what? Sell rupee. That means buying of one currency is as good as selling of the second currency. I am saying it again, a very, very important part will help me out in somewhere, some places which will be watching that out. That means buying of a one currency automatically becomes what? Selling of the second currency. It means when you say you'll come and buy dollars, I'll say, my dear children, get 68 rupees. Instead, you are saying, sir, I'll come and sell rupees. I said, okay, you sell rupee. If you want to sell rupee, selling of rupee, you selling, I would be doing buying. Hence, it becomes a cross. That means buying of one currency automatically becomes selling of the second currency. Just put down a small note, please. I know you know it, cross. Just a mental satisfaction I'm trying to do from myself. Buying of one currency is as good as buying of one currency is as good as selling of what? Second currency. Buying of one currency is as good as selling of what, sir? Second currency. Selling of second currency. That means buying of dollar is as good as selling of rupee. Buying of dollar is as good as selling of rupee. One more doubt generally comes. Sir, in the fourth point you said, what I said? Ask rate would always be greater than what? Bid rate. Ask rate would always be greater than bid rate. But in this case, it is not happening. Huh? Oh my God. Ask rate would always be greater than what? Bid rate. My dear students, this 1 by 65 is greater than 1 by 68. Please try on the calculator if you want. I have not put in a proper form. 1 by 65 is greater than 1 by 68. Ask rate would always be greater than what rate? Would be greater than bid rate, which comes out. So that we are not doing any dispute on it. Our objective what? Whichever currency we are finding premium or discount, it has to be left hand side. The quotations are from whose point of view? Bank's or a seller's point of view. In this case, how would I decide whether should I keep dollar on the left hand side or should I keep rupee on the left hand side? That will take a call, and very soon in the next examples that will start coming in, because that has to be taken. 4 notes we have done just till now. That was left hand side chocolate, right hand side price, premium left hand side currency, discount left hand side currency. Premium will not be equal to discount. One currency premium, second discount. Exporter, importer, 70 becoming 75. You can take the call accordingly. What has to be done? 4th quotation are from seller's point of view. Between customer and me, I am the seller. Between me and second party, someone else becomes the seller, which becomes that out. That is what exactly what we have done till now. Can we move forward? Yes, sir. We can move forward now. Now I'm taking some examples. Help me out, please. Now I'm taking some examples. Let's put down example number 1. Example number 1. $1 is equal to rupees 70. Very, very important example. Find the amount required. Find the amount required. Find the amount required to buy rupees 70 lakhs. Find the amount required to buy rupees 70 lakhs. Every one of you would be able to do it. Every one of you would be able to do it. And I know every one of you can do it, because there is no doubt in that part. Sir, it's very easy to be done. Yes, try that out. 1 minute I give it to you. And we have done it, I know. Still try that out, please. Still try that out. I know you've done it. Sir, answer is coming what? Answer is coming $1 lakh. The way you have done, I'll do your way. You have done is what? You have done, what you have done is 70 lakh divided by 70. Say yes, yes. I will not do it this way. This example will help me out what to treat chocolate and what to be a price. A very, very important example. And once we are able to know the form, we'll never make a mistake in the Forex. A backbone of this chapter now. Sir, this is called confirmed currency. That means with any quantity, with any currency, the quantity written in the question, if that is mentioned, 70 lakh rupees, confirmed currency rupees, $1 lakh, confirmed currency $1 lakh, pound 40,000 I want to buy, pound is a confirmed currency. I want to sell 60,000 euros, 60,000 euros is a confirmed currency. Entire chapter, I'll keep it a rule. I'm saying entire chapter, I'll keep it a rule. Whichever is a confirmed currency, I'll keep it on the left side. And when I'll move from left to right, I would always multiply. There is nothing called division for me in the entire chapter. Sir, say it once again. I'll say it 2 times, in fact 3 times. I'll take ample examples. Confirmed currency in my question is rupees. I'll put this quotation, $1 is equal to rupees 70. This is not the proper quotation. What I'll do, whichever is confirmed currency, I'll bring on left hand side. That means 1 rupee will be equal to $1 divided by 70. 1 rupee is equal to $1 divided by 70. Entire chapter, when I move from left to right, I will always multiply. 2 rules I'll keep intact throughout, no matter how your institutes write the answer. That means, sir, when I write here, dollar required, look up please before you copy. Dollar required. I have 70 lakh here, 70 lakh. This is confirmed. This is confirmed. This is called multiplication. I am trying left to right, rupee to dollars now. 1 divided by 70. Sir, you are also doing the same thing. This is not the same thing. Sometime you divide, sometime you multiply. Because my quotation was given 1 by 70, I have put 1 by 70. I have multiplied. Sir, how would we know the confirmed currency? Question says, I need to payment a $1 lakh payment. $1 lakh is confirmed currency. 40,000 euros will come. 40,000 confirmed currency. I will have to make 1 lakh marks. Marks is a confirmed currency. Whatever is confirmed, that has to be made chocolate, because only chocolates can be bought or chocolates can be sold. I'm saying it again. Only chocolates could be bought or chocolate could be sold. Entire chapter I will multiply this way, and left to right is multiplication will do. In this case, it comes my answer as what? Exactly same answer will come. Answer would not be difference. $1 lakh. $1 lakh. Do not worry, we'll do ample examples. We'll do ample. Maybe this is the first point which might differentiate you what you would have done in your regular classes. This is something very important, and I'm saying will not make a mistake whether it is a currency derivative, whether it's a normal the Forex chapter. Any kind of a chapter will not make a problem here. This is first rule. I'll dictate that point out, please. Let's put down the points. Let's put down the points. Whichever is a confirmed currency, whichever is a confirmed currency, whichever is a confirmed currency, we will keep that currency on. Whichever is a confirmed currency, we will keep that currency on left hand side. Whichever is a confirmed currency, we will keep that on left hand side. First note. Whichever is a confirmed currency, we will keep that currency on the left hand side. In our case, rupee was confirmed, I kept on confirmed currency. Second point, when we move from, first point was whichever is confirmed currency, we will keep it on left hand side. Second point, when we move from left to right, when we move from left to right, when we move from, when we move from left to right, we will always multiply. When we move from left to right, we will always multiply. That's it. We will always multiply. This is called multiplication. We'll take some more example. Do not worry. I'll get the comfortableness. We'll take some more example. Although rupee, you are so comfortable, even if I do not give you anything, you can calculate the answer. My objective is not answer. My objective is not answer. My objective is flow, process, and which I can confirmed say, I'll not make a mistake, which I'm confirmed saying. Let's put down example 2, please. Whichever is confirmed currency, we'll keep on left hand side, and when we move from left to right, we will always multiply. Example 2, let's put down. Example 2. 1 pound is equal to euro 1.4. Find the number of euro required. Find the number of euro required. Find the number of euro required to buy. Find the number of euro required to buy pound 8,000. Find the number of euro required to buy pound 8,000. Confirmed currency, sir, euro. Confirmed currency, euro. Let us bring the quotation proper. Confirmed currency is pound. Confirmed currency is pound. And since we have a confirmed currency pound, is the quotation given proper? Yes. Pound is confirmed and pound is on what side? Pound is confirmed and pound is on what side? Left hand side. Left to right when I move. Left to right when I move. Will do what? Multiply. That means can I do euro required? Euro required would be equal to 8,000 into what? 8,000 into 1.4. How much do we get? Euro 11,200. Although this example you could have done very easily, very easily. 1 euro, 1.4, 1 pound, 1.4 euros, 8,000 pound, 11,200 euros. Example you could have done very easily, but I'm saying we'll keep our rule. Confirmed currency was pound. Confirmed currency was pound. Required was euro. Left hand side I required pound. Left hand side was pound. Left to right when we move. Left to right when we move exactly same way. That means multiply, and this is called multiply. Similar example, let me create example number 3. Let me create example number 3. 1 pound is equal to euro 1.4. Exactly same thing I'm taking. Find the number of pound required. Find the number of pound required to buy. Find the number of pound required to buy euro 28,000. Find the number of pound required to buy euro 28,000. Now tell me, what is my confirmed currency? Confirmed currency is euro. Confirmed currency is euro. Bring euro on what side? Bring euro on what side? Sir, left hand side. 1 euro would be equal to what? Pound. 1 divided by 1.40. We get the same number. 1 pound was given euro 1.4. Confirmed currency was euro. So we kept euro on this side. Now we can see when we move from left to right, we'll do what? Multiply. I'll say pound required. Pound required. 28,000 into 1.4. How much do we get? How much are we getting? 20,000. And please look at this. Sir, you are also dividing. I am not dividing. This was given in the quotation. My objective is this multiply. My objective is this multiply. I am saying it again. Objective is this multiply, please. So I am not dividing, I am multiplying. I am just putting one rule very clear. Whatever is confirmed currency, that I am keeping on the left hand side. Example number 4. Example number 4. $1 is equal to euro 0.90. Find the dollar required. Find the dollar required to buy euro 1 lakh. Single minute I give it to you. Try that out, please. Single minute I give it to you. Try that out. Be careful, confirmed currency. Be careful, confirmed currency, please. Done? Let's try that out. So given to me is what? Is the quotation given proper? No. Confirmed currency, euro. I'll do what? I'll do what, sir? 1 euro is equal to dollar what? 1 euro is equal to dollar 1 divided by 0.90. So what we require? Dollar required. Help me out, please. Dollar required. How much we are getting? I am getting what as? I am getting as 1 lakh into 1 divided by 0.90. How much you are getting? How much you are getting? 1 lakh into 1 divided by, it's a dollar. 1,11,111. 1,11,111. Confirmed currency you are keeping on left hand side. One last example for single quotation, then I'll move for ask and bid. One last example for single quotation, then I'll move for ask and bid rate. Example number 5, put down please. yen is equal to rupees 0.50. 1 yen is equal to rupees 0.50. Find the find the yen to be received. Find the yen to be received. Yen to be received on selling rupees 70 lakh. On selling rupees 70 lakh. Tell me the confirmed currency. Confirmed currency, sir. Very good. Rupee. This is the quotation given. Confirmed currencies, 1 rupee is equal to yen, 1 divided by 0.50. 1 yen, rupee 0.50, 1 rupee is yen, 1 divided by 0.50. Left to right will go what? Multiply. It means, sir, what now? That means I'll have 70 lakh into what? Confirmed currency. This is called multiply. Yen 1 crore 40 lakh. Single quotation, even if I do not teach you anything, you are very comfortable. Now I am picking ask and bid quotations. Now I am putting ask and bid quotations. Example number 6. 60, 65. Importer needs to make a payment of. Importer needs to make a payment of. Very clearly I have given the line. Importer needs to make a payment of $2 lakhs. Find rupee outflow. Give me the first chance, please, then you can keep doing it. Importer, buy foreign currency, sell. In fact, leave this apart. Importer also leave secondary. Confirmed currency, let me see. Confirmed currency is what? Dollars. Let me put this equation very comfortably. Dollar on what side? Confirmed currency, sir, dollar. Dollar is a confirmed, quantity confirmed is a confirmed currency. 60, 65. Now you tell me importer needs to buy or sell. You tell me Importer needs to buy or sell. Importer, you are importer. You will come to me and say what? Sir, bank, we need to buy. You will buy, I will do what? You will buy, I will do what? Sell. That means which rate to apply? You will come and say buy. You will buy and I would do what? Sell. What rate to apply, sir? Ask rate to apply. That means now we can copy along. Importer needs to buy. Importer needs to buy dollar. I have put two things here now. One, confirmed currency was what? Confirmed currency was dollar. I kept dollar on the left hand side. Then I check second part. You need to buy left hand side currency or you need to sell left hand side currency. What you are doing? You are buying. When you are buying, I would be doing what? Sell. That means I would be selling, you would be buying. Customer's point of view I am saying. Customer will buy. That means rupee required to buy dollars 2 lakh. Sir, once again, it was importer case, perfectly fine. Confirmed currency was what? Dollar. Importer need to buy dollars, sell dollars, buy dollars, dollar left hand side. When you will come and say buy, you will come and buy, I would do what? Sell. What rate applied? Rate applied is the ask rate. It will become equal to, sir, what? 2 lakh into what? 65. Tell me the answer which comes out. 1 crore 30 lakh. 1 crore 30 lakhs. One crore 30 lakhs. Once you've done that, let me know. We'll make case 2. And I'm putting my language very, very carefully. I'm putting my language very, very carefully. Same data, case 2. Case 2. Same data. How many dollars? How many dollar will be received? How many dollars will be received if customer? How many dollars will be received if customer sells rupees 1 crore 80 lakhs? Area of a mistake. I'm saying it again. Area of a mistake. Customer is 1 point. Sell is 2nd point. Confirmed currency is 3rd point. Customer sells rupees. First, I would identify, always, first I would identify always confirmed currency. Confirmed currency is what? Confirmed currency is rupee. Let me put and then I'll see the second part. Please do not be in a hurry. 99% I'm saying will end up making a mistake. Please do not be in a hurry. We are not putting ourselves on the rocket and going somewhere else. We can be slower part also. In exam, it has to be very clear cut. First identify confirmed currency. The moment I identify confirmed, my quotation would become 1 rupee is equal to dollar 1 divided by 65, 1 divided by 60. Is my quotation become proper? Sir, how proper? Confirmed currency rupee on the left hand side. Now see, you as a customer, what are you doing? You as a customer, what are you doing? Are you buying rupee or are you selling rupee? Please see now, what are you doing? Are you buying rupee or are you selling rupee? Selling. You selling, I would do what? You are selling, I would do what? Buy. Which rate to apply it? You are selling, I would buy. Which rate to apply? Bank's quotation. Bid rate to apply. Sir, once again I am saying 3 terms were there. Customer sells rupees 1 crore 80 lakh. First identify confirmed currency. Confirmed currency was rupees. Put rupee on the left hand side. Put, sir. Now left to right, I need to know what is the equation. Left to right when I go multiply, but what to multiply? Ask for a bid rate. Ask for a bid. Confusion would be, please, confusion I'm telling. What could be the confusion? Look up. Confusion would be dollar has bid rate, dollar has ask rate. Dollar has bid rate, dollar has ask rate. Similarly, rupee has bid rate, rupee has ask rate. So that means both of them can have bid and ask. You need to know commodity, chocolate as per the requirement. In the first case, chocolate was dollar, dollar was chocolate. Let me know the dollar rates. In the second case, I have rupee as what? In the second case, I have rupee as what? Rupee is given as what? Rupee is given as a chocolate. I need to find the rupee rates now. Rupee rate would be basically, what does it mean? It means is I need to find rupee on the left. I've kept rupee on the left. Now tell me what you want to do with the rupee. Sir, we want to sell rupee. You want to sell rupee. I would buy rupee. What rate to apply? Bid rate to be applied. Confirmed currency, left, left to right, multiply. Let's put down dollar to be received. Area of a mistake, dollar to be received. I'm saying it again, this is the only area of a mistake or one of the major areas of a mistake. You can cross check with your friends. The maximum mistake they'll make it here only. They're not able to identify, sometime multiply, divide. Entire chapter I would be multiplying. Entire chapter I would be multiplying. And sir, how much do we get? We're getting 276 what? 923. Cross check your answer please. 276 923. Cross check your answer. $276 923. Example 8. 1 pound is equal to euro 1.2 1.3. Now I'll give you independent time. Case 1. Case 1. Customer need to buy. Language I am very clearly writing. Customer need to buy pound 10,000. Customer need to buy pound 10,000. Find euro required. Focus. Focus confirmed currency. Then customer and then buy. Confirmed currency pound. Then focus customer language he is giving. He will give always the customer language. Between you and me, you are the customer, I am there. And you need to buy. And you need to buy. This means, sir, if I put my solution, is my equation given proper? Yes. Pound should have been left hand side and pound is given on what side? Left hand side. Pound should have been on left hand side and pound is given on the left hand side. 1 pound is euro 1.2 and 1.30. Euro required. Now left to right I go what? Left to right, multiply. You need to buy pound or sell? You need to buy pound or sell? You need to buy pound or sell, sir? We need to buy. You will buy, I would do what? You will buy, I would do what? Sell. Which rate? Bank's rate. Ask rate to be applied, sir. You will buy, I would do what? Sell. Ask rate to be applied. Euro required would be 10,000. 1.3. That means bank will say, my dear children, bring 13,000 euros. I'll give you 10,000 pound. Again, confirmed. First look at confirmed currency, left hand side. Then look at customer want to do what? Customer need to buy and bank would sell. Case 2. Customer need to buy. Buy euro 40,000. Find the pound required. No rewards for hurrying up. Take single minute time. No reward for hurrying up. Take single minute time. Done, sir. Confirmed currency, euro. Let me put euro first. 1 euro is equal to pound. This is confirmed now. Euro was confirmed, I put euro on the left hand side. Now you see what you want to do. Customer need to do what? Buy. You would buy customer. I will do what? Sell. Which rate to apply? Sir, ask rate. Sir, previously also ask rate. Previously also ask rate. Now also ask rate. Hey? Yes. Previously also asked rate. Previously you were asking for what? Previously you were asking for pound chocolate. Now you are asking for what? Now you are asking for euro chocolate. Both case you were asking means you are basically asking me, you were saying, sir, I want to buy. You wanted to buy, I would do what? Sell. Earlier bank was selling what? You required to buy. You came here and asked me that you need to buy pound. I said, I'll sell you pound. In this case, you said you will come and buy what? Euro. And I said, I'll sell you what? Euro. Both case rate is same. So there is no challenge which comes out. Left hand side currency is a confirmed currency. Left to right multiply. In this case, my pound required would be equal to 40,000 into 1 divided by 1.20. How much you are getting? 33,333. Just look up, please. You're getting same, I think, 33,333. I'll do one more example, which I leave it to you again 2 minutes time, and then we can see one of the questions, how the question framing comes in the exam. Example number what we had? 8, 9th example. Try on your own, please, now. 1 pound is equal to Singapore dollar 3.15, 3.20. 3.15, 3.20. Find the pound required by customer. Find the pound required by customer to buy SGD. 1 lakh. Find the pound required by customer to buy SGD 1 lakh. Try that out, please. Be comfortable, confirmed currency. Put it on left hand side and then see what you need to do with the confirmed currency. Left hand side currency and then see what you want to do with the left hand side currency. Done? Yes, sir. Look up, please. Confirmed currency, SGD, sir. Given is 1 pound. Whereas confirmed currency is what? 1 SGD is equal to pound. 1 divided by 3.20. 1 divided by 3.20, 1 divided by 3.15. This is given. Yes, sir. You are buying or selling as a customer? Buying or selling, sir? Sir, customer is buying. You buying, bank would do what? Sell. Ask rate. Pound required. You are buying, bank would sell. How much do we get? 31,000? 31,746. $31,746. Done? Can we look at the question? How the question framing would come in the exam? I would expect, keeping the first notes what we've done, left hand side would be chocolate, always right hand side would be price. How do we decide what would be left hand side now? Left hand side will decide, sir, whichever is a confirmed currency will be put on the left hand side. How would I identify the question? Whichever quantity is confirmed, only chocolates can be confirmed. Whichever is a confirmed quantity, keep on the left hand side. When we move from the left hand side, entire chapter we will do what? Multiply. Always we will multiply. And premium discount, we have already discussed. One currency premium, second would be discount. On whichever currency we find premium oblique discount, it has to be kept on the left hand side. Then third, exporter importer, which I'm seeing, just put in your mind exporter importer. 10 seconds time, close your eyes and see $1.70 becoming 75. Entire note can be made. $1 becoming 70, 75. Exporter 70 lakh, 75, good position. Importer 70 lakh, 75, bad position. We can make it out very easily. And then we looked at quotation. Quotations are from seller point of view. As of now, we have just put focus between you and me. You would come and buy, I would sell. You would come and sell, I would buy. Bid rate is my buying rate, ask rate is my selling rate. You are asking, I am selling. That means it's the case. In the confirmed currency, we have already seen whichever is a confirmed currency on the left hand side, and when we move from left to right, we will always do what? Multiply. Can we see the question now? Yes, sir. Let's quickly look at the question now. Now, come to the questions what we have. In fact, let's look at, open up your books, page number 48, I think. Yes, page number 48. Come to page number 48, we'll read question number 5. Page number 48, we'll read question number 5 quickly, please. Page number 48, question number 5. Let's read that question out. US imports company. US imports company. US is importer. Purchased 1 lakh marks. 1 lakh marks. Marks is a German currency. So that means confirmed currency has become what? Chocolate has become marks now. US imports company purchased 1 lakh marks worth of machine from a firm in Dortmund, Germany. Now try to understand please. 1 lakh marks is a confirmed currency. Marks is a confirmed currency. And US is an importer. It needs to buy or sell. It needs to buy or sell marks. Buy, sir. Chocolate, marks, that means marks has to be on the what side? Left hand side. The value of the dollar in terms of mark has been decreasing. The value of the dollar in terms of the mark has been decreasing. We are not reading that line, neither required. We'll see at the end if it is required at all. The firm in Dortmund offers 2 by 10 net 90. Sir, what does 2 by 10 net 90 means is? What is 2 by 10 net 90 means is? 2 by 10 net 90. Make a payment in how many days? Make a payment in 10 days and avail 2% discount. And without discount, make a payment in 90 days. Working capital management, inter IPCC. Make a payment in 10 days, avail 2% discount, and without discount, make a payment in how many days? 90 days. We can put down small note if you want. We can put down small note, please, quickly. Avail 2% discount. Avail 2% discount. Avail 2% discount if payment is made in 10 days. Avail 2% discount. Avail 2% discount if payment is made in 10 days. And without discount. And without discount. And without discount, make payment in how many days? 90 days. Avail 2% discount avail 2% discount if payment is made in 10 days, and without discount make payment in 90 days. Make payment in 90 days. Let's try that out please quickly. Sir, what does it mean now? It means is basically, if I look at this part here, if I try to look at this part here, we call it as if payment is made in the 10 days will avail what? 2% discount. That means instead of 1 lakh, I'll take what? How many marks will take? 98,000. And if we make a payment in 90 days, then payment has to be of 1 lakh marks. Payment has to be of 1 lakh marks. That's fine, sir. So that means if I make a 10 days payment, it will be 98,000, 2% discount, otherwise 1 lakh. The spot rate for mark is $0.55 and 90-day forward rate is 0.56. The spot rate for mark is $0.55 and 90 days is 0.56. It means I put 1 mark today comes how much? $0.55, and forward rate 1 mark would be $0.56. Now things become very easy for me. What is a confirmed currency for you? Marks. You required marks to be on what side? Chocolate to be on what side? Left hand side. And chocolate is on left hand side. Left to right you go, you'll do what? Left to right you'll do what? Left to right you go, you'll do what? Multiply, sir. Multiply. Now if you look at this data spot rate, it means 1 chocolate today comes in $0.55. After 90 days, 1 chocolate will start coming in what point? 56. Now help me out verbally before I move forward. If I purchase marks today, that means if I make a payment today, how many marks I'll make a payment? I'll get 2% discount. I'll make a payment of what? 98,000. If I make a payment of 98,000 today, then at what rate I'll make? 0.55, sir. 0.55. 98,000. Left to right. Left to right. How much? Left to right, sir. 0.55 will become how much? 98,000 into 0.55. 53,900. If I make payment in 90 days, then sir what? If I make payment in 90 days, then sir what? If I make payment in 90 days, that means I'll make a payment at what? 0.56. It becomes, would I get discount? Would I get discount? No discount. 1 lakh marks, if you make a payment after what days? 90 days. Today if you make a payment, 98,000. Rate is also lesser. That means the first part he is asking, first part, dollar cost of paying the account within 10 days. Dollar cost of paying the account within 10 days. We can know how much dollar cost will come. It will be 98,000 to 0.55. Second case, dollar cost of paying the account within what days? Within what days? In 90 days. I will make entire 1 lakh payment at 56. Can we try the first two parts? Can we try that out? Yes, sir. Let's try the first two parts, please, quickly. Let's try the first two parts. I'll put my answer here. Let us try the first two parts. The solution. 5. US is equal to what? US is equal to importer. Needs are what? Need marks. And what is given to you? Given is spot rate. Spot rate is 1 mark is equal to $0.55. 1 mark is equal to $0.55. And you have been given 90-day forward rate. Can you visualize which currency at premium? Chocolate today comes in $0.55 and start coming in what point? 56. Chocolate today comes in 55, will start coming in 56. Chocolate is at what? Premium. That means marks is at what? Premium. Marks is at premium. And A part he asked us, compute the dollar cost of paying the account within 10 days. A part. Dollar cost of paying account in 10 days. Now you tell me, will we get the discount? Will we get the discount? Yes, sir. How much discount? 2% discount would be availed. 2% discount to be availed. That means, can I put marks to be purchased is equal to marks to be purchased is equal to total required word 1 lakh. That means, can I put here? It will be what? 1 lakh into, can I do 98%? Say yes. Yes, sir. 2% discount. If we get 2% discount, this will be equal to how many marks? 98,000. And what rate would be applied? What rate would be applied? Tell me the rate. What would be applied here? Sir, rate applied would be spot rate. Rate applied would be spot rate. That means, can I put dollars required to buy marks 98,000. When we go from left to right, 98,000 into what? 0.55. How much do we get? 98,000 to 0.55. Tell me, how much do we get? $53,900. Now you tell me, second part he asked was second part, dollar cost if payment is made in 90 days. Dollar cost if payment is made in 90 days. Will we get the discount? No discount, sir. And also a rate will increase from 55 to what? 56. Dollar cost if payment is made in 90 days. Dollar cost if payment is made in 90 days. No discount. Oh, yes. No discount implies marks to be purchased implies marks to be purchased is equal to what? 1 lakh. And rate, what would apply, sir? 90-day forward rate. Oh, and that is equal to 1 mark is equal to $0.56. 0.56. It means my answer would come here as what? Dollar required would be equal to 1 lakh into what? 0.56. Now you tell me, if you defer the payment to 90 days, how much extra you are paying? If you defer the payment, how much extra you are paying? Sir, we are paying extra equal to 56,000 minus 53,900. If you defer the payment, how much extra you are paying? 2,100. And understand why 2,100 you are paying extra. There are two reasons. Area of a mistake. This is C part is the area of a mistake. You are paying 2,100 extra when you move from 10 to 90 days because your expense increases from 53,900 to 56,000. Two reasons are: one, instead of 98, 2,000 you are buying entirely new. 2,000 you are buying what? Entirely new. That means you are not getting any discount facility, timing difference which is coming. Second, what chocolate was coming in 55, chocolate start coming in what? 56. 55, chocolate was coming, 1 mark was coming in 0.55. Now the same marks will start coming in what? 0.56. Chocolate is becoming costlier. I can say it's a depreciation of dollar, appreciation of mark, premium of mark, depreciation of a dollar that is coming. The third part he is asking exactly same thing. If you look at this data, please, what he's saying? He says the difference between part A and part B is the result of time value of money discount. That means 2000 complete new, 2000 complete new at 56, 98,000 10 days, same 98,000 90 days, 98,000 10 days, and same 98,000 after 90 days. You pay 0.01 extra. That is because of the currency fluctuation. It was basically chocolate was becoming costlier, mark is becoming costlier, automatically dollar is becoming cheaper. So let's put that down, please. What it means is, sir, it means basically, if I try to put it here, it means basically is C part, what we have here, it's a extra cost, if extra cost in dollars, in fact, extra cost in dollars if payment is made in 90 days. So what we are incurring extra cost if payment is made in 90 days is equal to $56,000 that is equal to 2,100. That is equal to dollar. Now this 2,100 is coming because of two reasons. Two reasons are, sir. One, no discount. That means if you shift from 10 days to 90, that's no discount. Or we can say discount of dollar, or depreciation of dollar, or devaluation of dollar. Currency is at discount because mark is at a premium. So in this case, no discount. How much you are paying? 2,000 extra into 0.56, entire extra. This is one. And in this case, 98,000 into 0.56 minus 0.55. This is the area of a mistake. Generally, a student comes and says or asks a question, sir, you have taken wrong. It should be 1 lakh. It should be 1 lakh. No, it cannot be 1 lakh. 98,000 buy in 10 days, same 98,000 buy after 90 days. Rate will change. But sir, after 90 days, we bought 1 lakh. But after 90 days, we bought how much? 1 lakh. My dear students, out of that 2,000 is entire new. What we are trying to look, 98 common, currency fluctuation impact. 2,000 complete time value impact. I am reading once again. 98 to 1 lakh agreed. Out of that 1 lakh, 2,000 is entire new. That is no discount. But out of that first part, 98,000 which comes here, 55 costing becomes instead of what? 55. Same 98,000 when you shift from 10 days to what? When you shift from 10 days to 90 days, costing increases from 0.55 to 0.56. Whereas on this it becomes what? Entire new. That is 2,000 into 0.56. It comes what? $1120. And this becomes $980. So that means because of two reasons, the 2,100 extra is coming. It is because of a shift of 55 to becoming 56. Mark is at premium, dollar is at discount. And second reason is coming because of what? Because of, sir, the 2,000 extra we are paying. Last part he asked, is dollar at a premium or discount? Now you tell me, you become the expert. Dollar is at premium or discount, sir? Dollar is at what? Discount. Mark is at a premium now. 1 mark 55, 56. Chocolate is costlier. Automatically dollar would be at what? Discount. If mark is at a premium, automatically dollar would be at what? Discount. Now on whichever currency we find premium, discount has to be kept on what side? Left hand side, sir. So mark was given, 1 mark is equal to $0.55. $1 will be equal to mark 1 divided by 0.55. 1 mark is equal to $0.56. $1 would be mark 1 divided by 0.56. Tell me in the 4 decimal places, please. $1 is equal to mark 1.8182. $1 is equal to mark 1.78 what? 1.7857. Now can we see dollar is at discount because mark was at a premium, we could have made out easily. So I can find now discount. He asked dollar discount or premium. Discount. Since 90 days data is given, I am putting 90 days in bracket. Formula. Please check 1 divided by 0.55 is 1.8182. Yes, sir. You only told me. 1 divided by 0.56 is 1.7857. Formula. Forward rate minus spot rate divided by what? Spot rate into 100. Forward rate 1.7857, 1.8182. Tell me how much do we get? Tell me how much do we get, please? Minus 1.7875 minus 1.7875 minus 1.7875. This is for how many days? 90 days. Since this is for 90 days, can we calculate per annum? Discount per annum. Now it is your choice. You want to assume 360, 365 days. No problem at all, please. Minus 1.7875, 1.7875, 1.7875 divide by this data is for how many days? 90 days. Into what? $1.7875 divide by 90 days into what? Divide by 90 days into what? 365. How much do we get? Minus 7.25% per annum. Minus 7.25% per annum. Just check, please. So forward rate minus spot, we have not changed any formula. Forward minus spot divided by spot into 100. Formula is not changed. Minus 1.7875 or 57. This was coming same. Let me also cross check, please. I hope. Why is the answer differentiating? Check that out. It's a, how much do we get? 1.7857 minus 1.8182 divide by, sir, 1.8182 into 100. 1.7875, 1.7875, it's coming right. 1.7875, that's the right data we have. And when you divide by 90 into 365, 360 also you can take to 7.25. Is that fine? That was just a basic part we have done. Few things which I want now, since we have got the tone. I know it's a crash course, so we have to be slightly someplace faster enough, sometimes slow enough. Whichever I feel a concept which requires time, I automatically will pull down my hand. But the moment I feel that something requires a concentration, I'll speed up. But from your side, I expect more hard work till the time I tell you to go back and read any of your books. Please do not do it. Let me finish off the entire topic. Then you go and refer any book of your choice which you want to do it. No challenge, no problem at all. But in this case, what I want is follow some basic rule, left hand side, right hand side, chocolate, price, The confirmed currency on the left, left to right, multiply, quotation from the bank's point of view between you and me. You will come and buy, I would sell, and so on. That was the major objective of it. Maybe that was the first class which you're doing. Some of you are doing for the first time with me. It will take me some time. That means since it's a crash course, it's as good as a crash in a booster course, slightly speed also we have to keep it out. But yes, I'm presuming the moment we are into the 10th hour, after a couple of classes, means after 2 more sessions and so on, we'll become very comfortable on it. So we'll break this session here, and this session will end here, and next will continue in the next session. So this session we end here, next part will continue in the next session. Is okay? Yes. Take care.